Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can emboss a text in Cura Slicer. So basically you can't emboss a text in Cura Slicer, but what you can do is basically use a app like CAD, Blender or Tinkercad to do this step. So basically I'm going to use a Tinkercad for this tutorial. So basically what you'll need to do is open a Tinkercad online. It is fully free and it is easy to use, like very simple app. And basically what you'll need to do is import your 3D model. After that, in the basic shapes, you'll see the text tool. So basically click on the text and drag it to your board. Right here, name it how you want to. So let me just add a guide to everything, something like this. And basically what you'll need to do now is to make it smaller. You can move it up and down, as you can see, like this, adjust the height, and now just bring it up with this little arrow, rotate it how you need to, and basically put it on top of your 3D model. So center it if you need to, and basically now select a height. I will go down a little bit, as you can see. These punctual lines will make sure that you are placed now on the 3D model, so you will know that. And basically I will select a little bit less of the height and select make a hole. Okay, now let's center that out, make it a little bit bigger. And now if we just export this file, you can do that by clicking on the export button right here and clicking on STL, because we are going to print an STL file, and I will drop that file into 3D Slicer. So I didn't click enter right now, so basically I will go a little bit down like this, and now I'll export it, and you'll see that it works perfectly fine. As you can see now, this little cap will have embossed text, as you can see, guide to everything. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.